How to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Debit Card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly in how you can go ahead and do this. Now we are inside the official article of PrizePicks on how you can go ahead and withdraw your funds. Now you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account that includes PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit your funds into your PrizePicks account. Now that is the keynote right here. You need to go ahead and use your debit card in order to go ahead and withdraw your money to that specific debit card right here. Now to request a withdrawal, you want to navigate through the menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks application on your mobile devices. If you are accessing your account on a browser, the menu is on the top right corner of your screen. From there, just click on request a withdrawal and you should be good to go. You'll receive a one-time password, which is an OTP code, by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. From there, no further action is needed on your part. They will send an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.